All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. So fully, 100%. So like this glass is, well, full. It is, we are fully ready. We are fully ready. It is fully now. It is being filled. It is being filled now. We are fully tired. Entirely tired. Yeah. They are fully cooked and ready to eat. The food is ready, fully cooked. We have some fully cooked food. The room was fully booked. Yes. We heard that the venue was fully booked. No one else could go to it. Yeah. We are fully prepared for travel. Fully prepared. I am fully prepared to record. I am prepared to record videos. Yes. How cool is that? Very good. Yeah. I will know they'll be fully organized by tomorrow. Yeah. It will be fully equipped. They will be fully trained. It should be fully cleaned soon. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. So, I am fully ready. I am fully ready for teaching. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use fully in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe for more lessons. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.